Sound reward for report. Prima Donna, Classy June, Bicol is already outside. Quick Hunter, Makisig, and She Can Dance is the early Magnolia's Classic. The leader by about 2 lengths, Classy June in second. Reward for report, Prima Donna outside, and fifth Makisig, Quick Hunter alongside Bicol. And trailing the group is She Can Dance. Now we have Classy June takes the lead. Magnolia's Classic on the outside. 3 wide reward for report, Prima Donna in fourth. Makisig Bicol now coming closer in 6. 7 comes Quick Hunter and She Can Dance. Reward for report takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Classy June, Prima Donna, Bicol coming closer is Makisig, Quick Hunter. Reward for report still the leader by about 2 lengths. Classy June, Prima Donna, Makisig, Bicol, Quick Hunter, She Can Dance as they come down at the last of the reward for report. On the outside, Prima Donna, Classy June, Quick Hunter, Bicol. Reward for report, Prima Donna, Classy June is running by the Prima Donna. Reward for report, Classy June. It's now Prima Donna, and finally Prima Donna second. Close, Quick Hunter. Reward for report, Classy June, Bicol. Then comes She Can Dance, Makisig, Magnolia's Classic.
Okay, mga entrevista para dito sa ating race number 6. Nakita naman po ang gandang bakbakan. Ating unofficial winner dito, numero 6 is Prima Donna with Mark Alvarez at Massive